this is Andrea, raw and plant-based chef, and thank you for watching me. Today I will show you how to make a BLT sandwich, a vegan bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich. Very easy to make and really delicious, believe me. So what we need is vegan toast bread. I choose one from Nata Bakery. We need vegan bacon, fresh lettuce, fresh tomato, vegan mayo. This is homemade, I just made it, really good. And I have here some microgreens because I decided to make this sandwich a little bit different. So I have microgreens from Microgreens, really fresh. I think the big curiosity for this recipe is the bacon. How we can make a vegan bacon. Really nice, smells so good, and the taste, believe me, it's amazing. But I will show you the recipe just now. I will show you how to make the vegan bacon. We need eggplant, but cut them very thin, maybe around half centimeter we have here. Half cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tamari sauce, 1 tablespoon agave syrup, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon thyme, but dry, but also if you have the fresh one, just add a little bit. And it's much better, believe me. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 garlic clove minced, salt, and cayenne pepper. But if you like to be more spicy, you can add extra. So we put all the ingredients together except the eggplant. And we try to mix them very well. But if you have a blender, you can use the blender and it will be much better because the blender can mix it really good. Okay, and lemon juice here, and all the spices. This is really good. You'll see, you'll have the smokiness, like tasty bacon, very, very good. So you mix them very well, like when you see just one color all together. Okay, I think it's almost done here, the mixture. Start to smell so good. That's really, really nice. Oh, I think it's done now. Yeah, perfect. And now we'll dip inside the eggplants. And try to dip them very well to make them very, very, the smell is so good. Look. And after you put in a tray. Because they will stay in the oven for maybe 30 minutes on 180 degrees. Or, I don't know, you'll see, maybe after 20 minutes you just check them, and if they look like bacon and they are crispy and start to smell very good, I think they are already done. Okay, so we'll put them all together here. You'll see, the result will be amazing. After 30 minutes in the oven, I think our bacon is just perfect. So now let's start to set up our sandwich. So we have the bread, and let's add mayo. This mayo smells really, really good. You can add a lot of mayo if you like it, because the combination of the taste with bacon and lettuce and everything that you have here, it's really, really good combination of flavor. Okay, now let's do the bacon. Our super tasty bacon. I will add maybe all of it because I love this bacon. Look at this one, it's just amazing. Okay. Let's put the lettuce. And here I will add the microgreens because I already told you I want to do something special with this sandwich. I'll put a little bit of microgreens here. This can give you a lot of vitamins that our body needs. Okay, and let's put the tomato. That's very good now. Okay, and now the bread, but I will add a little bit more of mayo. Not too much, but I like to have this taste. So good. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. It's amazing. Let's try something nice now. I want to show it very good for you. And I would like to cut it also. Let me clean it here a little bit. Oh my god, look at this. Just amazing. And the smell, oh, you cannot believe it. So let's try to cut it now to see how it is in the middle. Oh my god, the crunchiness. Everything that we have here is just amazing. Let's see. Look. This is just amazing. This is the perfect BLT sandwich. This is my vegan bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich. If you enjoy my recipe, just like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you and see you next time.